Almost everyone today has heard about sleep apnea. A very large number of people suffer from sleep apnea or know someone who does. About 80% of the people who have sleep apnea have not been diagnosed and are not receiving treatment they need for this health-destroying condition. CPAP is the main treatment prescribed for sleep apnea. Most patients would prefer a pillow-style interface mask because it is much less obtrusive, claustrophobic, and cantankerous.
When I found out I had sleep apnea, I was scared, and I really wanted to address the issues. The doctor let me know they were very serious. When I tried my first device, it was a full mask system, and then I went to another nasal system. Neither of them really delivered what I needed to do. And despite my best efforts and my wife's encouragement, I just couldn't use it. The air pressure, as I came to understand it, with the other systems was so high that it was leaving my sinus cavities very dry, and my work of breathing was so difficult for me, I became non-compliant.
Why is it then that so many sleep apnea sufferers fail to stay the course as prescribed while using a pillow-style interface, thus putting their life at risk? All pillow-style interfaces are not created equal. Remsleep has cracked the code in designing the Deltawave, patent-pending airflow system, which is the natural way to breathe your way to a sound, safe sleep.
I definitely found out that all pillow devices are not the same. I have used a mask system for many, many years and didn't think I was a candidate for a nasal system. I tried to be the best patient. I did everything they told me to do. I was very compliant with it, but I was very uncomfortable and I didn't feel I was getting the right oxygen for me. My doctor told me that I'd be able to use the nasal system. I was so happy that I could use the Deltawave.
I went back to the doctor. He recommended the Deltawave system to me, and it's just been a lifesaver.
Thanks to Deltawave, I am breathing much better, it's more comfortable, and I just thank Deltawave for their product.
Our founder has over 30 years of experience in the sleep disorder industry and over 17 patents specifically addressing issues of sleep disorders. When I was hired into the company to do the engineering on a new product line for him, the goal was to truly reinvent the nasal pillow device and come up with the best product on the market. So we studied what the problems and issues with all the existing products were and set out to solve each of them. The Deltawave is the culmination of all our efforts to address these three major issues that are plaguing the nasal pillow market. We've addressed the three major issues with any nasal pillow system. One is the flow rate into the device. The second issue is the exhalation process or work of breathing, as it's termed. And certainly we needed to address the comfort of the device so that people would stay compliant with it and be delivered the best flow of air, the quietest system, and wake up rested and safe.
The Deltawave system is unique amongst all in that it provides a higher capacity of airflow with much lower pressure. I wake up relaxed. My work of breathing is far less and therefore more effective.
Remsleep's patent-pending proprietary interface form fits perfectly into your nostrils.
The Deltawave pillow system is far superior than any other pillow device I've ever used. A, it's lightweight. B, it fits very comfortably in my nose. I don't even know it's there. And I feel I get more pressure and I actually feel better with it on.
The Deltawave promises the following benefits: extremely easy to breathe in, less CO2 retention, will not dry out nasal passages. Respiratory rates remain normal at 12 to 14 breaths per minute, virtually zero work of breathing, eliminates claustrophobic effects of other devices, and no need for a humidifier.
I was concerned that when I started using the Deltawave that my sinuses were going to dry out, because that's what happened with all the other pillow systems I was using. But I was really amazed that I woke up and my nose wasn't dry, my sinuses didn't hurt, I didn't wake up with a headache. It was amazing. And my day is just more productive. My memory's much better and I'm clearer on all my thoughts.
It's lighter, it's easier to use, and I wake up without all that dryness in my nose, no headache. I'm just disappointed that it took so long to find it.
I'm not losing the hair like I used to because it's one single strap, and I am just breathing better.
The Deltawave truly is a revolutionary product in the nasal pillow market for sleep apnea devices.
Rest assured with a safe, sound sleep by Remsleep.